The word sex has been derived from Latin word sexus meaning separation. The organisms in which both male and female gametes are produced by different individuals are called dioecious. The sex cells and reproductive organs form the primary sexual characters of male and female sexes. Besides these primary sexual characters, the male and female sexes differ from each other in many somatic characters known as secondary sexual characters. The phenomenon of molecular, morphological, physiological, or behavioral differentiation between male and female sexes is called sexual dimorphism. The mechanism of the determination of the sex are under genetic control, and they may be classified into following categories: sex chromosome mechanism or heterogenesis, genic balance mechanism, male haploidy or haplodiploidy mechanism, single gene effects. Discovery of sex chromosomes. In sexual dimorphic dioecious organisms, besides morphological and behavioral differences between both sexes, the sexual diversity also occurs at the level of chromosomes. The chromosomal differences between the sexes of several dioecious species were found earlier in the course of cytological investigations. A German biologist, Henking, in 1891, while studying spermatogenesis of the squash bug, noted that meiotic nuclei contained 11 pairs of chromosomes and an unpaired element is moved to one of the poles during the first meiotic division. Henking called this unpaired element a X-body and interpreted it as a nucleolus. The significance of X-body was not immediately understood, but in 1902, an American geneticist, Clarence McClung, who had made extensive observations of gametogenesis in grasshoppers, suggested that the X-body was involved in some way with the determination of sex. He reported that the somatic cells of the female grasshopper contained 24 chromosomes, whereas those of the male had only 23. In 1905, Edmund Wilson noted that females have 7 pairs of chromosomes, whereas males have 6 pairs and an unpaired chromosome, which Wilson called the X chromosome. Also in 1905, Miss Natty Stevens found that males and females of the beetle have the same number of chromosomes, but one of the pairs in male is heteromorphic. One member of the heteromorphic pair appears identical to the number of a pair in the female. She called this the X chromosome. The other member of the heteromorphic pair is never found in females. She called this the Y chromosome. Stevens found a similar situation in Drosophila melanogaster, which has 4 pairs of chromosomes, with one of the pairs being heteromorphic in males. Likewise, Stevens and Wilson, while working with the milkweed bug Lygais turiceus, found same number of chromosomes in both the sexes. In female, all chromosomes were paired and the homologous were equal in size. In the male, all the chromosomes were paired but the chromosome identified as the homologue to the X chromosome was distinctly smaller Y chromosome.